Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the latest update to Google Maps, which is finally rolling out to more users, with two major new features, Immersive Navigation and a live speedometer in Android Auto. The update was announced earlier this year, but it's been a slow rollout, with only a small percentage of users getting access to it, but now it seems like Google is opening up the floodgates and making it available to more people. The Immersive Navigation feature is a big deal, as it provides more specific directions and more detailed maps while you're on the go, making it easier to get where you need to go. The feature is immediately obvious on Android, as the Gemini icon has replaced Assistant in the top right corner. Beyond that, Google Maps also appears to be rolling out the live speedometer on Android Auto more widely, which is a long-awaited feature that started popping up earlier this month. We're seeing both of these features on devices not enrolled in the Maps or Android Auto beta programs, which suggests that this is a server-side update that doesn't care if you're on the beta track or stable. Let's take a closer look at the design and build of the update, and how it affects the overall user experience. The new features are definitely a step in the right direction, as they provide more functionality and make the app more useful, but we'll have to see how they perform in the real world. In terms of specs and performance, the update seems to be working smoothly, with no major issues or bugs reported so far, but we'll have to keep an eye on it and see how it holds up over time. As for rumors and leaks, there's not much out there right now, but we can expect to see more features and updates in the future, as Google continues to improve and expand its Maps app. The expected release date for the update is now, as it's rolling out to more users, and the price is free, as it's just an update to the existing app. In our verdict, the update is a definite improvement, and the new features are a welcome addition, but we'll have to see how they hold up over time, and if Google can continue to improve and expand its Maps app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we'll do our best to respond. See you in the next video.